Hey guys, today I'm going to be testing out 3 different soaps to make slime. First I have this pink grapefruit Bath & Body Works soap. I have this Palmolive dish soap. And this Compliments antibacterial hand soap. So first I'll be trying the dish soap. I'm sorry if you can't see that. Now I'm going to add in some of my salt. Just adjusting it. Okay, that seemed like quite a lot of salt. So now I have a mixing utensil. Well, it doesn't really seem to be doing much. It's just kind of liquidy and sticky. Isn't really forming much into slime. Okay, I'm going to add in some more salt. Yeah, sadly this one was a fail. Time for the next recipe. Hard to get out, so I'll see you when I get more. Guys, I got some more of that grapefruit stuff. So I'm gonna add my salt. Jeez, that came out fast. I'm gonna get my salt. Okay, sorry if you can't really see that. It's out of here. But I'm pretty sure you can. So I just added a little bit more soap. There's some salt, and I'm going to it's very liquid. It's kind of jittery. I think it's going to be a fail, but let's see. Okay. It's still very watery. Potential out of all of them. See you in the next video, guys. Hey guys, as always, it's BunBun180. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification for new videos. I will see you in the next video.